Drones in agriculture. Drones have become increasingly valuable tools in modern agriculture due to their numerous benefits and applications. Let's explore some of the ways drones are being used in agriculture. 1. Crop monitoring. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and multispectral sensors can fly over fields, capturing images of crops from above. These images provide valuable data about crop health, growth patterns, and early detection of issues like pest infestations, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Farmers can then take targeted actions to address problems and optimize crop yield. 2. Precision agriculture. Drones enable precision agriculture practices by providing detailed and real-time data. With this data, farmers can make more informed decisions about when and where to apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides. This not only saves resources but also minimizes environmental impact and increases overall efficiency. 3. Crop spraying. Drones equipped with sprayers can precisely apply fertilizers and pesticides to crops. Compared to traditional methods, this targeted application reduces chemical usage, minimizes soil compaction from heavy machinery, and allows access to hard-to-reach areas. 4. Planting and seeding. Some drones are capable of automated planting and seeding. They can disperse seeds across large areas with precision, saving time and labor costs for farmers. 5. Livestock monitoring. Drones can be employed to monitor livestock in extensive farming areas. They can help locate and track animals, assess their health, and ensure their safety. 6. Irrigation management. Drones equipped with thermal sensors can assess soil moisture levels, helping farmers identify areas that require irrigation. This ensures water is used efficiently and prevents over- or underwatering. 7. Land surveying and mapping. Drones equipped with LiDAR or photogrammetry technology can create detailed and accurate 3D maps of farmland. These maps aid in land surveying, land use planning, and understanding soil variations, leading to better resource management. 8. Weather monitoring. Drones equipped with weather sensors can provide real-time weather data from various locations on the farm, assisting farmers in making weather-related decisions. 9. Crop health assessment. By using infrared cameras and specialized software, drones can assess plant health based on the analysis of reflected light. This helps in detecting early signs of diseases or stress in crops. 10. Post-harvest analysis. After harvesting, drones can continue to be useful by conducting post-harvest analysis, estimating yields, and assessing overall farm performance. It's essential to note that the successful integration of drones into agriculture depends on factors such as regulations, pilot training, initial investment costs, and data management. Nevertheless, as technology advances and becomes more accessible, drones are expected to play an increasingly significant role in transforming the agricultural industry. Thanks for watching.